Hello there, let me show you a quick and easy way of making delicious sandwich. So what I usually do is I just fry my eggs. Fry your eggs and add any other ingredient you want to add into your egg, which includes tomato, pepper, and whatever you decide. Spread butter or peanut butter on the bread. Add your eggs you've just fried into the bread, the slice of bread, and close with another slice, like so. Close your toaster for 2 minutes and voila, it's ready. You can cut out the crease of your bread if you like. For me, I prefer mine like this because I just love that crunchiness in the bread. I hope you enjoyed this simple way of making sandwich. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.